Ladies and gentlemen, how are we doing? Matthews here again from M&L FOREX Traders. All right, so we had a beautiful trade on Euro AUD. Let me just show you. This was sent on the 18th of August 2022. You can clearly see that we had a beautiful rally based drop supply zone, and at this level here we had the QML, we had a low, higher high, and a break of structure right here. And then we waited for price to come to our level right here. So after that, we saw the market reacting from here, then pushed to the upside, then we entered right here and we saw the market dropping. So this setup was a 25 pips stop loss, and the target was like 190 pips. All right. So let me just show you what happened. So it was sent on the 18th of August. Let me just show you what happened. So this is how it was. First of all, you identify the overall trend of the market. So if the market is in a downtrend, like it is right now, you're looking for selling opportunities. Okay. So you go to the lower time frame, go to the lower time frame. So right here, you can clearly see that you want to sell because the trend is down. So what you have here is a rally based drop supply zone. And then right here, you have a QML, you have a low, a higher high, and then we had a nice imbalance, right, which was created at this level right here. So we expect the market to come back to that level. We saw a nice drop right there, and you can clearly see that here he didn't have any liquidity to be taken out. That's how the market is. The market won't give you a textbook scenario. Sometimes it will just give you what it gives you, right? So you just need to take whatever the market gives you. So right here we had what we call a confirmed entry, where we have market actually coming here, dropping and pushing back again to this level, so that you can actually enter right here. When you enter right here, you saw the market nicely dropping to the downside. It is a beautiful trade. It's a very simple setup and an extremely nice setup, right? These are not different from other setups that we take. So the thing, the purpose I'm showing you in these videos, whether they are winning trades or losing trades, it's for your own benefits, right? I want you to actually cultivate that um, mindset that thinks in probability. This is not different at all. This is like one of the those exact same setups that you take, right? It's the same setup. So you need to have that mind that thinks in probability, and also knowing that anything can happen in the market. This trade was a 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio, right? 1 to 10 risk to reward ratio. A beautiful trade, which took about how many days? About about um about 6 days. An extremely that's a beautiful trade, and right there, and it's almost like two more than 300 pips. A beautiful trade. So just need to be patient, wait for your setup. Literally, have a strategy. When you have a strategy, what you have to do is predefine your risk and then keep on executing. That's all you have to do. Execute as soon as the market gives you an entry signal. You have to execute regardless of the previous outcome. Whether the previous trade was a winning trade or it was a losing trade, you have to take the next trade. That's what you have to do. That's how you become consistent. Because you know that no matter how perfect the setup might be, there's no way to know in advance if a trade is going to win or not. Literally, there's no need for you. There's no way for you to know in advance if a trade is going to win. It might have everything that it takes, right? It can have a beautiful setup that meets all the criteria. You have all the confluence, but guess what? That one can still lose. That's the reason why you have to predefine your risk every time, and make sure that you're consistent in doing that, because overall you're going to be profitable as long as you take. I mean, like, how many trades do you need? Even if you lost 10 trades, one trade like this is going to actually make you profitable. Imagine how good that is. It gives you an edge because of your risk reward ratio. So you have to be you have to like, be really be consistent. I know losses are going to be difficult to handle because that's how we are as humans, right? We have emotions, and because of how we grew up, no one likes losing. I hate losing, right? I hate losing, but guess what? Losing is part of the game. You have to lose. Losing is not the opposite of success. It's actually part of your success story. So you have to embrace losing. You have to normalize losing for you to become consistently profitable. Otherwise, it will be very, very hard for you. I can tell you that. So please normalize losing and focus on executing, especially if you have an edge in the market that you've proven, you've back tested, and it has shown that it has a positive expectancy over a series of trades, then you just have to execute flawlessly without hesitation, without fear, because you know that at the end of the day, you'll be profitable. That's what makes a difference. So I hope you found value in this video. And if you did, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. You guys take care until next time.